This new Moroccan food truck in Austin has 5 stars on Google, so we had to go see what it was about. The Fez food is owned by Camelia, who has a passion for cooking Moroccan food and showing her roots. All of her food is made in-house with no artificial ingredients. We love the beef kabob wrap, which comes wrapped in a warm pita, and with the Fez sauce, which was fire. The real star of the show is their most popular item on the menu, the lamb shank, which is slow cooked for 8 hours and falls right off the bone. This is the perfect spot for a low-carb, high-protein meal. So if you are near West Campus, it's definitely worth a visit. Send this to a friend who loves Moroccan food and follow us for more eats.